Welcome viewers to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about this very hot topic called Copilot plus PCs. So at a special event on Microsoft campus, they introduced a new world of, PC designed for AI, Copilot and PCs. So they are said like they are the most fastest and the most, intelligent pieces ever built by Windows. So it encompasses powerful Snapdragon Elite and another chip it's going to be capable of incredible 40 plus trillions operations per second of muscle energy, and they are claiming like these laptops are going to give a complete battery day life, and you can have access to the most latest AI models like Copilot and PCs. So this is going to make the things a reality which you have never felt like before. Like this is something coming up like in every news, in several videos I have came across. I found really uh, and finding all this news very exciting. So many manufacturers have came up from apart from Microsoft Surface. There are other several OEM partners like Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo, and Samsung, and they have already started taking pre-orders. And it is going to be on, hitting the shelf on June 18th. The starting price range is 999 US dollar, and the Copilot PCs offer, comparatively incredible value. So the first wave of, as said in this website, it's just the beginning. Like there may be, different variant coming up soon that we will come to know. Like this is somewhat the news is coming up from this particular web page, and here what they are saying like this is the most secured Windows PC ever built and the fastest as well. And so what is being introduced here? A all new system architecture to bring the power of CPU and GPU, and now a high performance neural processing unit. So this is the new processing unit called NPU that takes the heavy lifting of doing this AI kind of thing, which I am taking like this way only. So so what actually it is having, it is connected and enhanced by large language models running on Azure cloud, and small language models. Copilot PCs can now achieve a level of performance that you have never seen before. And what they are saying like here, it is outperforming Apple's MacBook Air 15 by up to 58%. It's a huge jump, and that is to sustain in multi-threaded performance. Okay, and that too with all-day battery life. It's quite interesting. Let's see how this things comes up. And with incredible efficiency, this Copilot PCs is able to deliver around video playback for about 22 hours and around web browsing for around 15 hours, which is actually not possible in any of our current version of laptops. And I think this is because of energy efficient Snapdragon processor, which is will be coming packed inside these new marvelous machines. And what Windows now has the best implementation of apps on the fastest chip, like yeah, from with Qualcomm, and they are offering now native ARM 64 experiences than ever before. This is what it is written here. I'm trying to explain this stuff to all my audience who are watching this video. I know they, but this is what I am, trying to interpret. And let's see what else it is written here. Like, yeah, there is Chrome, Spotify, Zoom, WhatsApp, Blender, Affinity Suits, and these are going to be fastest implementation. And DaVinci Resolve and many more now run natively on ARM. Wow. So this is going to be amazing to see how much the great performance we will get with these additional apps, including Slack, which is going to be releasing later this year. Okay. So in fact, 87% of the available total app minutes people spend in apps today and have native version. So what else it is here? Like every Copilot PC comes secured out of the box. So what does it mean? It has a Microsoft Pluton security processor. Okay, this is this is another processor which will be enabled by default on Copilot Plus PCs. Okay, and they have also introduced many features and updates default to Windows 11 to stay secure for users. Okay, so this is going to be packed with entirely new powerful AI experiences. So multiple state-of-the-art AI models, including several from the Microsoft world-class SLMs to unlock a new set of experiences directly on the device. This removes previous information of things like latency, privacy, cost, to help being more productive, communicate more effectively and creatively. This is something I talk around the people like what this recall. So it's Microsoft is claiming like it's going to solve your most frustrating problems in your from your day-to-day daily life or work. Like it's going to find that particular thing out from your PC. So so it's going to remember like where your folder was stored in, what website you were on that particular time. So it's going to capture, take snapshots of all the history. So it's kind of, a kind of a companion who can help you out when you have forgot something. Like it can help you remind those particular things back when you require. So you can actually travel the time to find your content and in your timeline across any applications. This is what it's saying. And get back to where you were, whether to a specific email in Outlook or the right chat in the Teams. Wow. So this is good, and of course there are some privacy concerns, no doubt about that. I hope Microsoft will come up with more answers to this one. Let's see how Microsoft know uh, answer all those questions. So, so recall is going to leverage your personal semantic index built and stored entirely on your device. This is something also uh, uh, a thing like we should be entirely rely on. Like it is going to be entirely stored on your device and it is not going to shared with anyone. This is what it's written here about this recall feature. And there is also a lot for co-create. So for creator also this AI powered image creation and editing is going to be really very amazing. It's going to make your task really very easy. So so it can almost 10 billion images have been generated with this image creator. So you say it will create that image for you. It's like that. I'm thinking like that. So as you as iterate, so does the artwork, helping you more easily refine and evolve your ideas. So so this is one of the great feature, innovative experience from the creative apps you love, like from Adobe. So in Adobe, Copilot PCs can help your creativity to reach to a new height, and that too in less time with the help of those apps for the NPU, DaVinci. So effortlessly apply visual effects to the object and people using NPU accelerated magic mask in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Okay, this is something you can check around. It can remove the background. on the NPU. And so there are so many apps which is going to take advantage of this NPU feature, like Liquid Text also is using AI features that completely run on this NPU uh, chipset. So so data stays still private in Liquid Text. Amazing. So you can also connect and communicate with live captions. That means the person who is next to you may not be speaking in English, but you will get those communication live, in in your in your preferred language. So this is also something really very amazing, which is going to be there, powered by NPU and available across all Copilot PCs now. And you can also see new and enhanced Windows Studio effects. Okay, this is going to be really very amazing. And the interface looks really very nice and clean. It's really looking great. So every Copilot PCs comes with this personal powerful AI agent. Okay, so this is a exclusive feature for Microsoft Copilot PCs, and it will be getting access to the latest models, including GPT-4o from our partners at means from Microsoft. These are going to be partners with like OpenAI, and you can have voice conversation that feel more natural. So they are advancing AI responsibility to while keeping ethical and safe and secure company-wide commitment. And this new Copilot PCs from Microsoft Surfaces and our partners like OEM, as we have discussed earlier in our discussion. So these are going to be the partners, and the new X Copilot PCs is going to launch on June 18, and starting with price 999. And these devices are up to 200 less than similar specs devices. Quite amazing. So they are $200 less and giving performance with high battery life that is going to be really very pocket friendly. We can have a display of size from 15-inch and 13.8 inches. So this is usually a bigger screen, and we can have a 22 hours video playback that we have already seen like in our discussion before. So these are the biggest brands, and they are going to make this Copilot PCs with the advanced AI chip available for you from June 18. So these are the brands. So the brands that you like is already on going to be on the shelf to give you this nice experience. So start testing for commercial deployment also begin today. This is what they are saying. This is the NPU chip design. It looks really amazing. Yeah, great. So this is all about this Copilot PC. I hope you have got some idea like what it's going to be bring new feature with it inbox. And the most amazing thing which I realized here, the NPU, which is going to be have a power of around 40 plus trillion uh, uh, operations per second, and all day battery life like ranging up to 22 hours. That's going to be really amazing. I hope you guys you will find this feature really very useful. If you are a creator, if you are a team leader, you can have this AI as a companion every day in day out. But yes, we have to see what recall feature is going to be like, how they answer the questions which is coming from the privacy um, area aspects. So that's all guys for this video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and goodbye.